types of flowers. Do you recognize this flower? This is allium. Allium is known for its globe-shaped clusters of tiny, star-shaped flowers. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is daisy. Daisies are simple and cheerful flowers with white petals surrounding a bright yellow center. Can you identify this flower? This is rose. Roses come in various colors and are a symbol of love and romance. Can you guess this flower name? This is iris. Irises are known for their elegant, sword-shaped leaves and vibrant, iris-shaped flowers. Do you recognize this flower? This is orchid. Orchids are exotic flowers with intricate and often fragrant blooms. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is tulip. Tulips are brightly colored flowers with cup-shaped blooms, and they are associated with spring. Can you identify this flower? This is sunflower. Sunflowers are large, golden blooms that turn their faces towards the sun. Can you guess this flower name? This is mimosa. Mimosas are fluffy, yellow flowers with a delicate and fern-like appearance. Do you recognize this flower? This is violet. Violets are small, purple flowers that often have a sweet fragrance. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is daffodil. Daffodils are known for their bright yellow trumpet-shaped flowers and symbolize new beginnings. Can you identify this flower? This is lily. Lilies are elegant flowers with trumpet-shaped blooms and come in various colors. Can you guess this flower name? This is buttercup. Buttercups are small, yellow flowers with glossy petals. Do you recognize this flower? This is begonia. Begonias are colorful flowers with asymmetrical, often heart-shaped leaves. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is bellflower. Bellflowers have bell-shaped blooms and come in various colors. Can you identify this flower? This is bluebell. Bluebells are delicate, blue-flowered plants that often carpet woodland areas. Can you guess this flower name? This is camellia. Camellias are elegant flowers with glossy, dark green leaves and vibrant blooms. Do you recognize this flower? This is carnation. Carnations are often used in bouquets and come in a variety of colors, each with its own meaning. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is dahlia. Dahlias are bold and colorful flowers with layers of petals in various shapes. Can you identify this flower? This is Edelweiss. Edelweiss is a small, white flower that grows in mountainous regions and is a symbol of alpine beauty. Can you guess this flower name? This is foxglove. Foxgloves have tall spikes of tubular flowers and are often found in gardens. Do you recognize this flower? This is fuchsia. Fuchsias are hanging, tubular flowers that come in various bright colors. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is gardenia. Gardenias are fragrant, white flowers often used in weddings and corsages. Can you identify this flower? This is geranium. Geraniums have clusters of small, colorful flowers and are popular in gardens and containers. Can you guess this flower name? This is gladiolus. Gladioli are tall spikes of colorful, sword-shaped flowers often used in floral arrangements. Do you recognize this flower? This is heliotrope. Heliotropes have clusters of tiny, fragrant flowers and are known for their sweet scent. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is lotus. Lotuses are aquatic plants with large, beautiful blooms often associated with purity and enlightenment. Can you identify this flower? This is lilac. Lilacs are fragrant flowers that come in shades of purple, pink, and white. Can you guess this flower name? This is lobelia. Lobelias have small, tubular flowers in shades of blue, purple, and pink. Do you recognize this flower? This is marigold. Marigolds are vibrant orange and yellow flowers commonly used in gardens and festive decorations. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is pansy. Pansies are small, colorful flowers with distinct faces that brighten up gardens. Can you identify this flower? This is peony. Peonies are large, fluffy flowers with layers of petals and are often used in floral arrangements. Can you guess this flower name? This is petunia. Petunias are popular garden flowers with trumpet-shaped blooms in various colors. Do you recognize this flower? This is phlox. Phloxes have clusters of small, fragrant flowers and come in a range of colors. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is snowdrop. Snowdrops are small, white flowers that bloom early in the spring, symbolizing the end of winter. Can you identify this flower? This is wisteria. Wisterias have cascading clusters of violet or white flowers and are known for their enchanting appearance. Can you guess this flower name? This is zinnia. Zinnias are vibrant and colorful flowers that attract butterflies to gardens. Do you recognize this flower? This is protea. Proteas are unique and exotic flowers with bold shapes and are native to South Africa. Have you ever seen this pretty flower before? This is myrtle. Myrtles have glossy leaves and small, white flowers and are often associated with love and marriage. Can you identify this flower? This is jasmine. Jasmines have fragrant, white flowers and are known for their sweet scent. Can you guess this flower name? This is impatiens. Impatiens are colorful flowers that thrive in shade and are commonly used in hanging baskets and garden borders. You did it! Congratulations! Give yourself a clap. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya!